How AI will transform business analysis. AI can analyze huge amounts of data faster than any human. AI can use machine learning to automate complex data analysis. It can identify patterns and generate insights in real time. It improves decision making. It helps businesses optimize operations and plan using data insights. Transforming operations with intelligent systems. AI powered tools like neural networks and cognitive systems are changing business operations. These systems can adapt to market changes. They can boost productivity and efficiency. AI is helping businesses stay competitive in the fast-changing digital world. It does this by streamlining processes and automating decision-making. The future of business analysis with AI. As we move towards Industry 4.0, the role of AI in business analysis will only continue to grow. AI will help businesses adapt to new technologies. It will enhance their competitiveness and future-proof their operations. AI-powered solutions can help businesses use their data. They can drive innovation in decision-making,